Hi, I'm Christina.
I'm Ti Chee, and we are from BCA
CORENET X project team. Tell us more about CORENET X. So CORENET X is a new regulatory ecosystem for the built environment. It seeks to transform the current regulatory processes that has been already put in place for the past 20 over years into something much more collaborative and consultative for both the industry as well as the agencies. So industry will conduct a cross-discipline coordination and submit it to the agencies for review and approval, whereas for us, we will conduct a cross-agency review and issue a consolidated response through sequential gateway checks. What is the benefit of CORENET X? Actually, the ecosystem is developed through service journey, which is a design thinking process. So essentially, CORENET X is designed specifically to respond to the challenges faced by the industry and agencies today to improve the quality as well as the productivity of what we build. For industry, it reduces the separate touch points to individual agencies, centralizes cross-agency functions such as payments, and offers greater transparency into the overall regulatory process. And for agencies as whole of government, our processing officers can now look forward to lesser discrepancies and manual checks and are now enabled with BIM-enabled technologies to help to review the same set of information and thereby conduct cross-agency collaboration and also auto-populate information right from the BIM models.
What are the technology enablers for CORENET X? There are 4 key technology enablers for CORENET X. The first one will be IFC-SG, which stands for Industrial Foundation Classes. This is an open BIM format served as a platform-neutral BIM format suited to the local context, and it supports all other technological components as a common data platforms. Next, we have CORENET X Submission Portal. The submission portal serves as a one-stop front-facing interface for the industry, providing a seamless experience for the CORENET X usage. It orchestrates the new regulatory approval for building works processes, enabling a single submission to the agencies for a consolidated comments and approvals. Third, we have Collaboration Platform. The Collaboration Platform allows the agency to concurrently view, process the same coordinated BIM models. In order to minimize the downstream impact, the platform allows us to coordinate and deconflict the requirements by making each other areas of interest
and comments more visible.
Ultimately, it improves the efficiency and productivity in the collaborative process. Lastly, the Automated Model Checker. This cloud-based tool covers multi-agencies requirements by automating checks on the BIM model. The industry can now self-check with greater certainty before submissions by reducing the needs of tedious manual checks and expediting the approval process. Tell us about the technical challenges to deliver a complex system such as CORENET X that's built from scratch. One of the key challenges is managing the integrations with the backend systems of multiple agencies. This involves ensuring the respective agencies are ready for the new changes before we can roll out any new features on the system. With the introduction of a new system, optimizing the user experience, security, and performance of the systems is crucial to minimize any impact to the industries and agencies. Therefore, a careful coordination and planning is important to ensure a smooth and effective transition to this system.
Can you share with us what is the best part of working in this project? So the inception of CORENET X actually marks a turning point, a paradigm shift in the current regulatory landscape. And I've been told that it's not every day that we get to see or even be part of a project of such a scale, both in its breadth as well as depth. And I happen to be at the epicenter of it to contribute and be part of this change. So it's actually overwhelming, but it's exciting at the same time. The work spans across multiple agencies and even multiple ministries. Yeah, and I've come to really appreciate and respect the importance of the work of each of these people that I've been working with that has various domain knowledge. Yeah, and it's amazing how we all come together to safeguard the built environment.
I think the best part lies in the opportunities for collaboration and innovation in this project. Working on this system allows us to engage with various teams from different agencies to refine and develop new processes, ultimately achieving the project's intended objective. What is the one key takeaway from working on a multi-agency project such as CORENET X? For me, working with multi-agency helped me understand the importance of effective communication and coordination. It made me realize that in order to make a multi-agency initiative a success, it is crucial to build strong relationships and cooperation among the diverse stakeholders.
One key takeaway from me is that as whole of government, I think that there's really a common desire to improve the way we work. And with that as the foundation of CORENET X, when agencies come together with commitment as well as communication, we really can overcome this mammoth effort to recalibrate, review, and realign our processes. We hope you have learned a little about what CORENET X project team does.
To drive a cross-agency initiative to improve our regulatory process.
Bye.